Today is a historic day. First Atlantic Bank is about to make its debut on the Ghana Stock Exchange, after almost a decade of no action. But before you get excited, you need to understand the two magic words that made this happen. Oversubscribed IPO. First, IPO stands for Initial Public Offering. It's when a private company decides to sell shares of itself to the public for the very first time. Think of it like a musician who's been performing at small venues, finally releasing their debut album worldwide. The IPO is the album launch. The company sets an IPO price and offers a certain number of shares. First, Atlantic Bank's IPO was oversubscribed. This is a super important term. It means the demand from investors was greater than the number of shares available. Imagine they were selling 100 concert tickets, but 150 people showed up with money wanting to buy. That's oversubscription. This is a massive vote of confidence from the market. It tells us that a lot of investors believe in the bank's future and wanted a piece of it before it even started trading. The bank raised GHS 380 million from this offering. That's fresh capital they can use to grow, which could make the bank more valuable over time. For a new investor, this is a lesson in market sentiment and opportunity. 1. A healthy sign. A successful oversubscribed IPO after 8 years is a sign of a strong, confident market. It shows investors are hungry for new opportunities. 2. The listing day watch. When the stock finally starts trading its listing day, watch the price closely. Will it jump above the IPO price due to leftover demand, or will it be more stable? This teaches you about market hype versus real value. 3. Long-term play. Never buy an IPO just because it's new. Do your research. Ask, is this a good bank? Is it growing? An oversubscribed IPO does not guarantee the stock price will go up forever. It just means the initial sale was very popular. The bank joins a financial sector that's already up over 90% this year. Does it have what it takes to compete? This is not financial advice. The stocks mentioned are examples from a report, not recommendations. Would you consider investing in First Atlantic Bank on the Ghana Stock Exchange? Comment FAB Anjim in the comment section below. Do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe for more investment tips from the nerds.